I'm gonna be late for school. I know, Toad. Just hang on. Let me get this started. All right, here we go, Toad. Finally, you're gonna get to school, okay? Yay! Driving on the road, driving on the road. Oh man, I can't wait to get to school. Hey, Mario, what are you doing? I'm driving. Just shut up. What just happened? The car stopped. What? Just stay here. I'm gonna go see what happened. I don't see anything. I'm gonna check under the car. I don't see anything. Dang. Well, guess I'll just have to call a tow truck then. Okay, I'm going to call the tow truck and get us out of here. Dang it! No bars, you stupid phone! Go away! I don't want to talk on you anymore. Oh man, Mario, I'm gonna be so late for school. What time is it? It's not working. Something's wrong with this stupid car. It's my car, you know. Oh, sorry. So what do we do now? I just suppose we just sit here and just, you know, sit, play cards. That sounds lame. Got any threes? I got nothing. This is dumb, Mario! I'm gonna be late for school. I'm gonna get 600 Fs, and my teacher's gonna, like, freaking beat me with a belt. It's okay, dude. It's okay, Toad. Just pick up the cards, and we'll just go home, okay? But the car stopped. Oh, right. Then what should we do? I don't know. Play on each other's phones? I don't have a phone. Oh, wait, yeah, you do. It's right there. Oh, but it has no bars, remember? Oh, yeah, right. What are we gonna do? I have no idea what we should do.